12 point, make up your favorite number. Hey y'all, Artist Poet Girl here, also known as APGJamie, and today we're going to check out this here little mini sewing machine that I picked up at Aldi's grocery store. Okay? Okay. It was like $7.50. Okay? So let's just say $8 with tax. Let's just see how well this works with paper, because the reason I don't sew on paper is because I don't want to get my big machine out, because it's a big machine. Takes up a lot of room. It's a big machine. Let's see, where are we going to put the box? I don't know. It says, okay, it says that it takes 4 AA batteries and that they're included, okay? That there's a presser foot, that's not what I mean. Of course there's a presser foot. There's a foot pedal and an AC adapter. I didn't bring any batteries out here with me to the studio, so we're just going to plug it in. Oh, they said it was included. Bless my heart, y'all. Bless my heart. So there's those batteries, which means it's portable. So you can take it in your car and sew when you're driving down the road. Well, not when you are driving down the road. When you're riding down the road. When somebody, ooh, it's got oil all over. Ooh, it's got oil on it. I didn't expect oil on it. Not right there anyway. That oil's all in that bag. I'm going to get out a baby wipe. So, I hope the holidays are treating you well, that you are not getting all stressed out, and that you are not having too high of an expectation, okay? I find that for me, okay, that when my expectations exceed what I know to be reality, okay, because I'm not, you know, ignorant to how things are. Anyway, that's when disappointment can set in. This is a cute little machine, y'all. Look how light it is. I bet it weighs a pound, maybe 2 pounds. Okay, so now I have, don't I have all that oil wiped off? Nope. Still feels slick right in here. Okay. Now let me dry it off. It's a little cool and dampish today. The weather. We've actually been having some winter. We had snow, y'all, in November. Did y'all see where I tweeted that? Or Facebooked it? I might have just Facebooked it. I don't know. Don't remember. I was sick. That time I got sick. Oh, I got sick because it snowed, y'all. That's why I got sick in November, and I was sick pretty much the whole month. That's why, because it snowed. Lords. Okay. Can y'all see what I'm doing? I'm hoping I'm saying on screen. I don't know how long the video is going to be. Because, you know, I decided to talk into the microphone. I had to turn the heater off. You're welcome. That's okay. It's plenty warm in here. I have on a undershirt and a, one of my favorite is old sweatshirt from the 80s. My son gave it to me when he was 4 years old. Now, he has replaced it just this year, you know, 2018 year. So, yeah. But I still love it. It's a good working sweatshirt that is so old and so messed up that it's okay if I get paint boogers and stuff like that on it. Not that I'm going to be using paint today, because we're going to use this fancy little sewing machine. Here's the little, what do they call that? foot thing. Oh, we got our papers. Warranty information. I'm not going to mess with that right now. I have not even looked at this other than looked at the box. And I said, for, you know, $8, let's try it. Let's use some red thread because it's Christmas time, y'all. It says it came with 4 needles. Okay, come on in. So, 1, 2, 3, and 4, because 1 is in the machine. It came with 4 bobbins. Look at that. They're even metal bobbins, y'all. They're not the little plastic wackadoodie. And that looks like kind of decent thread. You know, you run a risk when you have different threads. You know what? That bobbin might be the whole top and bottom of it. Oh, Lord. I might be sorry I got this. So how do we raise the presser foot? And we got a little lever right there. Let's pull that out. Come on out. I says, come out. Oh, Lord. That's pretty tight. Oh, that's weird. She says. Cut that off and cut that off. Thread seems like it's going weird to me. All right, let's see what's in here. Come on. Come on. Well, this is embarrassing. Go this way. Nope. Does it pull up? I don't think it pulls up. Oh, can y'all hear that? It looks like it should just slide right out. I wonder if that's where the batteries go. Come on. I'm gonna break it before I even turn it on. Surely not, Shirley. There we go. Oh. Okay, so the bobbin's in there. Lay sideways. That's coming out pretty good. Okay, so we have a light on, a light off. We have sewing on and sewing off, and we have a speed of high and low. Shouldn't that be slow and fast? Here's the foot pedal. I don't know, I might use it with my hand. It could happen. Oh, we should put these back out. We'll put the red thread back up, being how it has white. So that means it sews off of a bobbin. So we have a bobbin here. That's our upper thread, and we have a bobbin inside. That's our lower thread. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I really have to count them? Yes, I really did. Oh, and look, we got a handy dandy 10-cent needle threader. Woohoo! Okay, set those aside. I got this plugged in. Now let me find some power, find some electricity. Let me get this down here. I'm gonna have to unplug the heat gun, y'all. There's not gonna be a heat gun in this video. I'm unplugging it. Okay? So I'm plugging the sewing machine. Oh wait, I think you're supposed to plug it in here so you don't risk electrocution with that being unplugged. Okay, now let's plug it into the power. Get some electricity going on. All right, come on, get in there. All right, so we have power. Woohoo! We have power. Can you see the light? I saw the light. Dun, 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 I saw the light. So evidently I don't have to learn how to thread it just yet because I'm threaded. Looks like the bobbin string's coming undone. So I'm just going to trim that off. so it doesn't get all caught up and everything. And we throw threads on the floor, y'all, just in case you're wondering. Okay, so we're going to close our little door that's incredibly hard to open, just let me say. So they've got the needle threaded going that way, and I've always threaded it going this way, but so y'all need to remember that, okay? Help me. Oh, and there I broke it. I don't know why that is. And silence. Okay. Is that enough? Not yet. Let me get another. So this seems to be the safest way to pull out thread, is to just run the needle up and down. Now remember, and this is Barb Owen taught me this, y'all. When you're turning your thing so that your needle goes up and down, turn it towards you. Don't turn it backwards. Now let's thread this here machine. Well, that's twisted. Should that be twisted? I don't know. And when I say twisted, this foot, the foot is turned. Huh. That's kind of, I don't know. I don't know. I'm just going to quit talking so I can thread the needle, and I'm going to go in from the outside to the inside, because that's how it came. So that's how I'm going to do this. Okay, so there we go. We're all threaded up. I'm kind of scared now, y'all. We're going to use their test fabric, which is all puckered up. I don't like that all puckered up. It looks like it's got a big stitch length. Can y'all see the stitch length on that? And it looks like the bobbin is too loose, because you could see the bobbin thread on the side. I don't know what we're getting into now, y'all. Why is that pressure foot up so high? That just doesn't even look right, y'all. Can y'all see that? Where's my pokey tool? Let me get my pointy tool. Let's see if I can show you. See that? That's the feed dog. And it's sticking way up out of the machine. Okay, and there's the pressure foot. Which, can y'all tell that it's crooked? It looks bent. The needle's not hitting it, so it should be okay. That's just weird. I don't like that that's bent. Let me look at the picture. You know, it's kind of bent in the picture too, but it's bent going in, not bent coming out. It's not loose. Okay. Let's stick our fabric under there. Okay, cross fingers and let's just see how this does. We're going to put it on low. We're going to put it on low. Low is in, and high, which would be fast, is out. So we've got it on low. It's turned on. Oh, let's see if the pressure foot works. Oh! It scared me. Did it scare y'all? So that's interesting. Let's turn that on. Oh, you have to push this. Same thing, isn't it? There we go. Yeah, it's kind of a wide stitch. I don't know what I think about that. Remember, it is only $7.50, y'all. Pull out some excess. But I figured for sewing on paper, it should be all right, right? Okay, now that we know it sews, come on. Come on. Yeah, see, my bobbin thread came out the same as theirs did. Let's get a piece of paper. I just happen to have some paper right here. Now, it's white papers. So, we're just going to fold it over. And that little presser foot, I don't know why I keep calling that a presser foot. That little foot pedal thing is just going to be not useful for me. What's going on here? Nothing. Okay. So let's put our paper in and lower the feed dot. Oh, it's got a little scissor, a little thread cutter right there. Did y'all see that and I missed it? I just saw that. Okay. This must be for a left-handed sewer. Because you should always hold your thread tails. That's what I learned. Okay, so now we're going to keep it on low. It's making pretty good noise. That's pretty loud. Come on. There we go. Well, it sewed the paper. Can you see the white thread? Probably not. Oh, when we got a boogered up spot here where it all got twisted up and knotted at stock. Let's just tear it.
Now we're not going to worry about reading the instructions. Let's see, I've got do we like that or do we like that? Ooh, I like that.
This is some photo paper from the Distressed Inks and shoe polish, y'all. That's what that is. So, that thread out of there. Okay. Ha! Oh, press your foot down. Hold my tail. My foot's trying to reach for the foot pedal because I'm so used to using a foot pedal when I'm sewing. Ooh, Lord. Okay. So raise that up. Spin it around. Lower it back down. There we go. Raise it up. Spin it around. Lower it back. I'm just going to hold it with my thumb, I think. Just a little ways in. Okay, raise it up. Spin it. Spin it and forget it. No, that's set it and forget it. Okay, thumb in. Go down. No, no. No, we're not going to go down. Okay. Do that. Pull it out. Pull, 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 pull. Like butter. Okay.
good with the cardstock, and then this is, you know, HP photo paper. Now, I didn't do a straight line, but, you know, for the purpose of doing this for sewing paper pieces together, I think that's going to be just fine, y'all. Looks like I need to tie that off because it's pulling the thread out. I normally wouldn't do this on paper. I have sewn on paper before, but not on my big sewing machine. We did it at Wednesday Circle before. We was making some projects, and we took turns sewing on somebody's decent sewing machine. It was about twice the size of this one. It was actually pretty nice size. Come on, pull through. Get it in there. Y'all wonder why I don't do live streams. I have been thinking about it more. I know I've said that before, but I've really seriously been thinking about it more. The problem is I don't get internets out here in my studio. So I'm going to have to see if I can figure out how to do it on my phone. But the problem with that is I don't get internets out here in the studio, so I won't be able to read any chats going on. I don't know if that's a problem or not. Okay? I'm just saying. So I'm just going to cut that off right there. I'm going to make a little flag. Can y'all see? So I'm just going to cut where I think the middle is. And I'm going to go from the corner to the end of that cut. And from this corner to the end of the cut. And there we go. Now we have a flag. Woohoo! Flag! I feel like I need something on the back. I don't know. What's this? It's some. I almost said I have some crap over here. I have some treasure over here. Let's see what all we got. It just looks like pieces of little pieces of muslin, y'all. So let's just rip it. Now remember what I said. Threads go on the floor. So when you sweep them up later, they get all tangled up in your, oh, that looks nice. In your, I don't like that thread on the back. So when you sweep it up later, it gets all caught up in your broom bristles, broom brush. How about if we do that? Like that. Let's do something else. Let's find something else to put on there. Ooh, let's put on one of these. I had no intentions of actually doing anything. I was just going to see how that sewing machine sewed. I think it sewed it okay. Get right there. Go right there. I better glue that on after I sew the back on, right? Okay. Oh, I'm gonna hook up my I'm gonna see if I can get my phone to go on this angle right here. Okay. So hang on uno second. Actually, you won't even know it's been a second. Hang on. Oh, that's the sound of Molly and Champ going in there. So you can kind of see. Okay. Oh, Lord. Is it still on? Yes, it's still on. If it's got power, it's still on, y'all. Okay, let me put that over there. So I'm going to just sew this on the back. Wait, there's too much of a thread right there. Throw it on the floor. Okay. Yep. Don't want it that far down. Some of that poking up, just a little, right, like that. Make it go like that. It's press her foot at? Okay. All right, let's see. All right, put the presser foot down. Where's my little loose ends and my threads? I'm going to try. Hopefully my arm won't get in the way, y'all. It's in the way. I can already see it's in the way. Okay, now I'm in a weird position. Okay. This is tiny. I don't know if y'all can see because I can't look over there to see if y'all can see. Uh-oh. All right. All right. I hope y'all can see. I really can't tell y'all because, you know, because I just can't. It seems to be a little sputtery there, doesn't it? Oh. Oh. Okay, back it up. Well, we'll just end it right there. Maybe I got the only defective one in the whole store. Come on, Gizzards. Oh, I got this little thread cutter. Let's use that. Because it was just like, butter. Okay. Oh, the Lord, that light's right in y'all's eyes. Is that more butter? Sorry about that, y'all. Oh, my God. Look what it did on this side. Holy cow, it just way messed it up over here. We're going to have to take that out because I just don't like that right there. That's got to go. Mm-hmm. Well, no wonder it kept jamming up, huh? Goodness gracious, y'all. Where's a seam ripper when you need it? All right, we're going to try that again. Goodness gracious. I don't even know what to say about that. Okay, press her foot down. Hold the loose threads. Can you see in the camera? I don't know. It's just not going to do it. Now, if it's already broke, it's going to go back to the store. That's all I could say about that. Get my $7.50 back. Lols. Okay, I must leave it. Everything's plugged in. It's on. It should just go right to down. I don't know. Let's just turn it all off. Maybe it needs to cool off for a minute. Let's let this hot puppy cool off, y'all. All right, let's try it again. Okay, we're not unplugged. I still have power. See the little light still on. See the little light? You see the little light? Let's start with the presser foot down, or the presser foot, the needle down. Maybe that's it. Start with the needle down. Turn it. It's not turning. It's hooked up on my paper on the front. Okay. Okay, that's looking okay-ish. Y'all. Oh, Lord. Okay. Press the foot up and turn. And go. Turn it. And go. Maybe that's it. The needle has to be down. Okay? That's what we're going to say. That top there is really tight. All right. There, see, that's better. I guess I was just holding it weird with my thumb and all that. Now we got a lot of threads on there. Okay, so I'm going to switch back up to the Logitech. So just so y'all see how I had set my phone up, I had this box, and here's this thing I put greeting cards in when I go docent down there, because we can sell when we're docenting our little stuffs. And I just set the phone in there, and that made it, you know, a really good height. Now, I still don't know if y'all can see very well, but that is what it is. Okay, y'all? I appreciate your patience and your love and understanding and just all manners of good stuffs. I'm going to have to blur out my address. Evidently, I was showing it to everybody. So, with your little mini sewing machine. So I don't like this just being all flippy floppy like that. So I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on there to hold it in the middle. Where's the glue? I'm not really prepared to actually make anything, but being how we're here. And it's not going to hurt to put a little glue on those stitches anyway, because I don't know how secure they are. Yeah, I wouldn't make a dress on this sewing machine, y'all. Not unless y'all want to get a little risque with it. So there, we'll just glue that over there like that. That makes me just a little bit more happy. Get over there. Just a little bit more happy. I'm going to cut this weird thread off the back. What the heck? Oh, throw it on the floor. Don't throw it over there. Throw it on the floor. Okay. Now I started this little piece right here. We're going to glue that on front here. Let's put this in a knot. Let's put... Untangle. We're going to tie you in a knot. It's not a head, but we're going to tie it in a knot because it's a knot head. Ah! Okay. So there's that. Now let's put some glue. Is there a right and a wrong? We're just going to dabble some glue around here. Come on, glue. Dabble it around now, y'all. You know, my favorite glue. Just saying. Get that lid on there. This way I can keep it upside down in my can. So it's always at the ready. Trim those wild looking hairs right there. All these little threads coming down here in the middle, like a waterfall kind of thing, and smoosh that right there. Smoosh on there. I think we need a little something shiny. So let me get that. I think we're gonna put a gem on there. So here they are. Let's see what color we want. What color we want? Those pale pink ones. Yeller one. I'm not too crazy about that yellow one. Let me hold it up where I can see it a little more better. I think I'm kind of liking the orange. Well, it's not orange. It's really red, but it's kind of orange looking. I think we're going to put that right there in the middle. Get some glue on there. Now these gems do have the sticky backs on them, but I don't trust that stuff so much. So we're just going to use the glue. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I loves it. I think we'll trim these just a little bit. But we don't want them all the same, so. Oops. One there. I'll get it on the floor in a minute. Hang on. That one there. That one there. Okay. That one there and that one there. You get down here on this side. Like that. There. Okay, let me get these threads thrown on the floor. All right. Now, let's see if we can find a word to put on there. Now I have all these computer printed ones. Fabulous laugh. Fabulous laugh. Ooh, fabulous laugh. Right there. I don't even have to get out my fancy store-bought ones. We'll just use fabulous laugh. Let's cut them in half. We're going to trim that there. Just trim them both up. Maybe I'll fast forward this part. And if I keep talking, I go. I love it when people do that. It makes me have a fabulous laugh. Okay, now if we're going to do this, we're going to have to ink around them. So let me fetch some ink. What color ink should we use? Should we use black? I guess we'll just use black. It goes with that black on the back. Black back. All right. Now I'm going to be real fancy inking these on the edge like that. Like that. The only thing is you'll get little ink lines on your fingers. So you have to be kind of careful. See, little ink lines. Can you see them? The ink lines. Baby wipe. Wipe that baby over there. All right. Wipe them babies. Come on, my glue. I don't know that I would recommend this little mini sewing machine, y'all. As you can see, it did give me a little bit of fits, but for $7.50, aka $8, I suppose it's okay-ish. I just don't even know what to tell you. Oh, so we're going to raise this up. Let's just put that right there. Fabulous laugh. That is so me, y'all. Don't you think? We got this sewed up, y'all. Oh, Lord. Bless my heart. So, I guess I'll keep it. I mean, it's not worth my trouble to take it back. I don't know that I'd recommend it. Unless you just want to have a little fabulous laughing going on. So, any hoops, that's it. Photo montage.
So here we are with our photo montage. I know I already said that. Look at those close-ups. I'm going to hang on to this because I think once I get used to using it, everything will be all right. It'll all work out in the end, don't you think? Besides, it's just funny to use this little thing. Disclaimer screen, y'all. Thanks for watching and happy arting, y'all.